Oh
In the
man,
grass field, we played a little, and at my home, we played some other games.
that is sounding so good. I think you had the best day of your life. Is that the way it was?
No, it would be better if I could have a summer sleepover.
Summer sleepover, I see. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I am looking at sharing my screen so that we can get started. Okay, so we are going to do the Zara and Dada class doing math. I have created.
We can't start without a show and tell.
Oh my dear, I was about to do a mistake. Yes, Zara. What are you going to do a show and tell?
Today I'm going to show my puppy named Sugar.
You have a puppy named Sugar. Show it to us. Oh wow. Put it on the camera in the center, 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 center. Hi. Her name is Sugar?
Huh?
Hello, Miss or Mister?
Mrs.
Mrs. Who is she married?
No, girl.
A girl? Okay. Hello, Miss Sugar. How are you doing? I see you have wheels.
That,
Oh wow, that's so. Do you see that sound?
yeah,
Do you hear that?
that used to be a part of my game.
All right. All right. So I'm sharing my screen. We have created a math sheet. We have to ask our, if you're seeing the screen, let me zoom in a little bit. You are seeing our math
Wizard unicorn.
unicorn math wizard. I named her the Mathuni. That's a weird name. I take it back. I just named her Uni
Asha.
Uni Asha. Yeah, I like that.
My name. One of my unicorn toys is named Uni.
Okay, so let me tell you something. This sheet we have generated with the help of AI. And what is so interesting about it? I asked Zara, what do you like? She told me I like unicorns, kittens, bluey, rainbow, butterflies, right?
Generating imaginary things today.
Yeah, you also like it.
The prompt.
Yeah, typing the prompt, that's true. But before we talk about prompts and AI, what I was saying is just knowing what your kid likes. This created a sheet with the help of um, your kids liking and putting those characters in the place. So what are we going to do? We are going to do the problem solving. We are also going to do the problem formation. Do you know what is the problem formation?
Cakes.
Yeah,
Balloon.
and you like balloons and kittens. Okay, so let's get started. How about that? So Zara was dreaming and she saw 12 unicorns on Monday, and on Tuesday. Okay, so let's say you saw 12 unicorns on Monday, and on Tuesday you saw 7 unicorns, right? So we have a, when we are doing a grouping, when we are adding something like two things, what it is called? It's addition, right? So how do you do the addition? Plus sign. So 12 plus 7. So I'm going to do what I told Zara almost like 4 years back.
Fingers.
Right? So the rule is if you're doing a plus B, start counting after a B time. Okay? So we are going to do after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
I have something to tell about.
So what is the answer? What is the answer?
To tell about.
Hmm?
It's the answer is 19.
19 unicorns. That's right.
Something to tell about it.
We'll do it later.
But
Now,
important.
not important right now. Is it related to math?
Yes.
Okay, tell.
The, the, the thing where you say you need to count after A, B, count after A, B, B time, B time. It's called a formula.
Yeah, that's a plus B is called a formula. That's good. Thank you for letting me or telling us this formula. So we did a 12 unicorn, 7 unicorn. Then Zara again, it's a week is progressing, and on Wednesday she saw 20 kittens.
Wow.
But she was wearing a wizard dress, or should I say like? So can you tell me what is you're scared of? Something is scary.
Snake.
Snakes. So Zara was wearing a dress that has a snake printed, and kitten was also scared of snake. So what? While seeing Zara dress, 8 kittens ran away. So we had saw 20 kittens, and 8 kittens ran away because there was a snake on the dress. So how many kittens are remaining in that group? What do we need to do? It's called or subtractions. That's correct. So we have to do a 20 minus. Yeah, you can do it. Can I form the problem for you? Is that okay? So 20 minus 8, we're gonna write like 20 minus 8.
Can I tell the technique?
Yeah, 20 minus 8.
Yeah, the technique that Daddy also taught me is to draw lines or circles and then cut them out.
Yeah, or there was another one you told me. Can I also tell everyone? You told me that there's a subtraction is the other way of what should we add to 8 to make it 20.
Yeah.
So what would that be? 2 will make it 10. So we got 10, but we need to add more to make it 10, 20. So what should we make? What should we add to 10 to make it 20?
10 to
Another 10. Yeah, so 10 plus 10 will make it 20. So we add 2 first, and then we added 10 more. So
12.
good job, Zara. That is how you do the complex problem by breaking it into the sub problems. Okay. Now, while we are progressing in the week, there is more to say. And do you know what is more to say?
No.
At night happens, and then you are seeing stars. Everyone says that you cannot count the stars, but if there are few, then you can definitely. So there are 30 stars plus 14 stars. So there are 13 stars in the south and 14 stars in the north. So how many stars?
I have a question. How can you go to the south and north and look from both there with only 2 eyes?
Like this. North, south.
But south is so far from north.
So I will do a full list. So it's a 180-degree apart, right?
Yes.
So it's like if this is a line, this is south, this is gonna be north, right? So you can just turn your head like 180-degree.
North Pole and South Pole.
I definitely did not mean that. Did you mean it? If you meant, I was talking to your friend on the video. All right, so 30 plus 14. What is the problem we are forming here? 30 plus 14. The problem is?
The problem is 13 plus 14.
It's an addition problem. It's a no. When I ask the question, what problem we are forming? It's an addition problem, right? And there's already a plus sign, so this is also an easy thing. So 13 plus 14 is what?
13 plus 14. Let me do it.
Uh-huh. That's an easy one. You can just do it. I'm trying to see how I can increase the. How can we do that? Oh, is there a view where we can?
27. 27.
Is there a view? 27. Yes. I'm trying to. No, 30 plus 14, Zara.
I thought 13 plus 14.
No, see the problem 30 plus 40. 14. So okay, do that. That is correct. That's okay. You can do a 30 plus 14 while I'm trying to figure it out. How to change the. Am I sharing my screen? We are sharing the. What is it? Okay. Anyway, so what is 30 plus 14? Immediately. Come on, fast, fast.
70.
No, you did. Again, you did like 14, not 41. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. It's 44. Very, very easy. Okay? So 40 rainbow plus 19 rainbows. It's not plus minus. So there were 40 rainbows. Can you believe it? There are 40 rainbows in the sky.
Ooh.
It's not even possible, right?
Frog unicorns came when I didn't see the rainbows. They came on it after I went home, I think.
Okay, so it's a 40 minus 19. This is a problem of you can all do it with the what Zara said, like you can draw 40 circles and you can subtract it 19, right?
Cutting it.
Yeah, by cutting it. Or there is another way of doing it.
Because you don't have so many fingers in
There's another way of doing it. So there's another way of doing it. It's called borrowing. Because if you are doing a 40 minus 19, you have to borrow. You cannot subtract 9 from 0. But there's another way of doing it. So I'm gonna tell that way. You don't know because I haven't told you.
You taught me borrowing.
Yeah, we're not doing it with borrowing. So I'm like, how without using a pen or a paper can we subtract for 19 from 40, right? How will you do that? So that is what we are trying to do.
Smart.
In the mind or in the brain. So 40, can you divide 40 into two parts?
Yes.
What would those two be?
7, 7.
No, not 14, 40.
40.
40.
Oh, I know. 20, 20.
Everybody say, give me a high five. Okay, so 40, if you divide it into two parts, it is 20, 20. And if I ask,
But
we are
it's
not
30,
20, 20. Now, if you see the problem, we are subtracting 19 from 40. That's difficult. But what if I say that, can you subtract 19 from 20?
Yes.
If you have a 20 candies and I take 19 candies from you, only one candy is left, right?
Yeah.
So now think about it, Zara. You had 40 candies. Look here. You have to look in the paper, then only you will uh, get this problem. You had 40 candies and you had two bags. One and both of your bags. Yeah, no, but I'm putting a candy because that will make sense. Okay. So 40 candies you have it, and you have two bags. One bag is purple and another bag is pink.
Pink.
So you divided the equal candies. So 20, 20. You put 20 candies. Are you focusing on the problem or the color?
The problem.
So 20 candies in the, I'm gonna ask you a very important question. So you should be with me. So 20 candies in the purple and 20 candies in the pink one. From the pink one, I took 19 candies because that is what the problem is. You take 19 candies away from the, right? So how many candies are remaining in the pink?
21.
No.
Oh, only in the pink one. No, 0.
No, one. That is correct because you had 20 candies. I took 19, so there's only one candy left.
Yeah.
And but in the purple there are 20 candies. So how many total So what will be the answer? 40 minus 19.
21.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Give me a high five. Yes.
I want to tell something. How my teacher taught me how to call addition and subtraction.
Okay.
Some go away, some come.
Some go away, some come. And I say, just imagine the problem in front of you, and then you will be able to solve it too. Like I imagine it. I have a candies in the bag, and I have chosen the favorite color of bags. Okay, so 25 butterflies. Can I tell you a fact? The butterflies also come when you are very hungry. So if your mom is um, making food and then you are very very hungry, then the butterflies, you see a butterflies flying in your tummy, or in Hindi we call it चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं. The mouse, the mouses are jumping in the tummy.
How can a mouse be a butterfly?
It's just the, what do you call it? Proverb word saying. Okay. But anyway, so mom is making food. She's making the best food. And then in my tummy, there are 25 flies flying. And in your tummy, there are 13. So how many total butterflies fly? How many total?
30.
See, what is it written? 25 plus 13. So 25 plus 13. Can you do this fast?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Always do it from the right, Zara.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I just?
No, that's okay. You did it. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3.
Oh, no, 8.
Okay. So what is the answer?
38.
That's all right. So we are waiting for the food with the 38 flying butterflies. Are you crazy? These butterflies will be flying everywhere in our tummy. All right. So that was a very fun part one, addition and subtractions.
Can I do?
Of course, you can do it. So can we tell everyone the formula? What is A into B?
A to B the skip counting of B 8 times.
Or A B times, right? Because
Yeah.
A into B is same as B into A.
Skip counting of 6, you might do the skip counting of 2. So it's opposite. You could still do the skip counting of 2 if you don't know the skip counting of 6.
Awesome. I love it. I loved it. So let's do a 3 into 4. So yeah, you can imagine, but can you tell me something? Where do we use multiplication? Can you give me an example?
Inside things.
Like?
Like, let's say I have 2 vases.
Correct.
With 3, and
Flowers.
each of them have 3 flowers.
Everyone, Zara Nigam arrived. That's awesome. I loved it. Yes, so that is how you do it. Like while you're doing grouping, counting, or what did you say? Citing. Yeah, in that too. So 3 into 4 cupcakes. Cupcakes. Can you do that? Skip counting of 3, 4 times.
Yes.
Do it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't. I okay.
3.
6,
Mhm.
9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12.
Yes, 12 cupcakes. We have it in a group of 3 bags with the 4 cupcakes each. Okay, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Imagine you have a birthday party, 2 kids are there, and each kid is holding 5 balloons.
I didn't get to tell you about it.
Okay, so I
Blue toy?
you can do the for bluey toys, but can you do the balloons quickly? It's very easy. 2 into 5.
Okay.
Mhm.
2 into 5.
2.
The skip counting of 5 2 times.
Yeah, that is easy.
5 10.
Yes. So the answer is 10. 6 into 2.
But I need to imagine.
Yeah, imagine the problem.
Imagine it's your birthday.
And the bluey toys are here.
And in a bluey package gives you 6 bluey toys.
Yes, and the other bag gives the 6 bingo toys. And how many total toys we have?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
And
6 into 2.
I have to do it.
Uh-huh. What is 6 plus 6?
12.
Yes, 12. So you did a skip counting of 2 6 times, right? Or you can do a skip counting of 6 2 times. That is 6 plus 6. That is 12, right? Okay, so 4 into 3. That's again easy peasy because we have done it here. A into B is same as B into A. What is the answer? Well, right? 5 into 5.
4 3 plus 4 is 7.
3 into 4 is same. That is 3 plus. Okay. 5 into 5.
5 10.
No, 5 plus 5 is 10. Can you do a skip counting of 5 times? Hmm.
25.
Correct. 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 will make it a skip counting of 5 times. That is 25 rainbows. We are you are doing such a great job, Zara. So let's do a counting and number patterns. Can we do that?
Yeah.
And we're gonna skip the mixed operations because that is what we can pick it up tomorrow. Or should we Should we just do a number till 15? Okay. So that will make it 10 problems remaining. What number comes next? That's easy. 25, 30, 35,
40.
40. Okay. What number comes
Mine-
next? 80. Yes, reverse counting. What number is missing? 45, 50.
Six, six,
It says
60.
55 is missing. Correct. Fill in the blank. 50, 30, 45. This is a skip counting of 15. So I
15.
so what will be 45 plus 15?
45 plus 15 will be
Let's do it. 45 plus 15. This is an example of carrying. Let's see whether Zara can do it or not. 45 plus 15. 5 plus 5, 0. What is it?
60.
Yay! So 40, 15, 30, 45, that is 60. So there was a pattern was 15 was in between the two numbers. What number is missing?
12.
Uh-huh. So you can see like 18 and 21. What is the difference?
You skip you skip um
3.
3.
So 12 plus 3, what would be?
12 and 15.
Yeah, so it's a skip counting of 3. So 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21. Good job, Sarah. Can I write it here so that our sheet is also complete? 40, 70, 55, 60, and 15. That's awesome. Our sheet is complete. If you like the sheet, you can, I will just send a link. You can download it. This,
You can make it.
yeah. So this one is a problem. This is where when I mentioned we're gonna do the problem solving, we are also going to do the problem formation. Sarah has 17 unicorn stickers. She gives 5 to her friend. So when you're giving something, you are losing that. So that is subtractions. And then buys that.
Go away.
Yeah, some go away and some come back. So oh yeah, so that is what you that I should use that too. I like that. Thank you, Miss Teacher. All right, so we'll only do one problem in this one. Okay, Sarah has 17 unicorns. So I have 17. Give it 5 to friend and buy 8 more. So the problem is this. This is what the problem. And with the Zara's big yawn, we're gonna just pause here because it's her bedtime. Thank you so much everyone for joining us. I was thinking about going to the another AI tool. It's called Anthropic because I'm teaching Zara AI